Hi everybody, my name's Joel. I'm going to give you a quick run through of how to play Realm Master. The realm is made by 4 land tiles, as you can see here. They're all slightly different. You choose them randomly at the beginning of the game. The Kingdom of Myrtle costs 5 gold to enter, which you pay to the supply, and you gain a banner. And it starts with 3 hearts, which are there. The Northern Waste, you lose a heart when entering, which you pay to the supply, and it starts with a banner for each starting player. This is going to be a 3-player walkthrough, so we've got 3 banners here. Drill in the Mountains can only be entered from other lands, and it gives you a +1 attack bonus, and it starts with 2 banners. And the Arab Desert, you take +1 damage when you're attacked here, but it starts with 5 gold, so it's quite an easy one to get into, but you're potentially going to lose more health here. Okay, on your turn, you can buy cards, and there's always 3 out for you to choose. The cost is in the top left-hand corner. What it does is described here. So here you've got a +1 attack bonus when attacking the realm. Here you've got a +2 attack bonus when attacking the realm. And here you've got a freeze curse, which you can place on top of any cards to remove its ability. So cards can be either keep, where you keep them for the duration of the game, or discard and use them once. So the 3 heroes we've got out at the moment we're going to play with are Jarak the Warrior. He starts with 8 life. And when you roll 5 swords, you do +2 damage. There's the Magician, starts with 6 health and 2 gold. And for him, his special ability is certain cards cost 1 less. And then there's Rowan the Squire. And for him, when all dice are the same, he gains +1 of the same. So if you were to roll 5 hearts, you could collect 6 health instead of the normal 5. You can have up to 10 hearts. The game's victory points are banners, and you need 10 of them to win. If you kill a player, which we'll come to in a moment, you gain half their stuff. So towards the end of the game, it can be very advantageous to attack the other players, but generally less so in the beginning part of the game. At the beginning of each new round, a new card is revealed, and they all do various different things. So for the duration of this round, all attacks in the realm do +1. This is all attacks do +2. This is Gift of Life, so heroes can trade gold for health, a maximum of 3 life. There's also a Tribute card. This is 1 banner, 1 heart, so each player in turn would have to pay a banner and a heart, and then play would continue. There's also various resource cards, so here each land would gain a +2 gold, up to a maximum of their resource limit, which is up here. Gold and heart and banners are resources. The hearts are obviously used for life. If you run out of these, you die. The gold you can use to enter certain parts of certain land cards, and you can also use to buy cards. And the banners, as I said before, the game's victory points, and you tend to win.